Luar Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
UMLA kanot Shillong ba Edelbert nang rumul ong bahadu mentahi udang Lade. Bo udang dehi UMLA Bapura, jogo Voice of the People Party. Wala ka party dan keniat benai, kelas Sospon u kumurkot jong ka party, hadirin bagi election MDC, kablalong hari lum khasi, bad hari lum jaintia. Hagajing keram bagi lar patai kubor ba Edelbert uloang, bahadu mentahi, shimla Pdiang Satya, yaga Jingshah Sospon haka party.
I feel like smiling, in fact, because this such a situation I had passing through at the time when our leader who had formed Khlem was respected Bapura. At that time when he abolished Khlem, everyone expected me to join Congress or to join BJP, but the same as today. So let's time will decide everything, because I believe always in time. On the time. As time is a great healer, time is correct to take any decision. No, in fact, I don't have any problem. I don't know why, how such a question arises, because I'm still a full-fledged member of the VVP. No, so now, in fact, 2 months away. 2 months back, I had some kind of thought that I may go to the court to get a clarification on this suspension letter, which they had suspended me. And till now I'm not taken. I'm not taking myself as a suspended lead. MLA. I just feel that the way that they suspended me, it was very suspense. It was very suspense. Let's time decide, and I don't really understand why they have to take such a decision without appealing me, or without requesting me to come forward to sit and have a talk. Why such a situation arises? So myself, I don't really accept this suspension, as the honorable speaker of the assembly also had already spelled out that I'm still being as a full-fledged member of the BPP. I was thinking that I will be going to approach the court just to get a clarification, but let's time decide regarding this also, whether I need to go to the court or not. Let people decide about their own constituency, which they are having their own representative. Myself, so I'm already on the way to highlight this issue in an open in an open platform to deliver or to distribute my schemes in my constituency very soon.